3, 2, 1.
Hello everybody. Hey, here's the latest in my series of heart-shaped romantic mosaics, gold-crested cranes. And the gold crests are these discs of gold made with stringers put on top. Stringers are like spaghetti made of glass, and I just kept stacking them and letting them set, and then putting more in and letting them set until I'd filled the semicircle. I think they're quite effective. I've also made marini in the palette of the gold crested cranes, and I've put little gold crests on with a crackle dichro, so they look very feathery like the actual crowns. Okay, and as usual I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. Here we stand, come take a gander, we are the national bird of Uganda, and with our golden crowns that look like manes, we think that we're the king of all cranes.